Okay, so start. Adrusu Sabiu, lesson 7. Man hazihi Aminatu, Waman tilka Fatimatu, hazihi tabibatun, wa tilka mumarrizatun, hazihi minal Hind, wa tilka minal Yaban, hazihi tawilatun, wa tilka kasiratun. Man haza Hamidun, वमन जालिका अलीयुन अतिलका अतिलका दजाजतुन अतिलका दजाजतुन ला तिलका बत्तखुन बत्ततुन या जुबिल इकरा या इकरा. या प्लीज रीड इट. या ओके. आई एम गोइंग टू कंप्लीट दिस. What fill in the blanks if the each foreign sentence is haza or hazi. Okay. Hazihi ummun. Hazihi ummun. Haza abun. Haza kalamun. Hazihi mil'akatu. Hazihi mil'akatu. Mil'akatun. Hazihi mil'akatun. Hazihi ainun. Because two eyes are there, that's why feminine. Hazihi ainun. Ain. Okay. Hazihi ain. Hazihi ainun. Haza hajarun. Haza qamisun. Haza qamisun. Haza kidrun. Hazihi nafizatun. हाज़िही बकरतु, हाज़ा मक्तबुन, हाज़िही नाकतुन, हाज़िही नाकतुन, हाज़ा मुहंदिस, हाज़ा मुहंदिस, हाज़ा मुअज्जिन, हाज़ा मुअज्जिन, हाज़िही मुमर्रज़तुन, हाज़ा सरीरुन, हाज़िही दीकुन, हदीकतुन, हाज़िही हदीकतुन, हाज़िही तालिबतुन, हाज़ा जमलुन, हाज़िही बत्ततुन. Fill in the blank with the Zalika and Tilka. Okay, okay. It says fill in the blanks of each the sentence in exercise 2 with Zalika and Tilka. Okay. Yeah, please read the last page and then we'll finish today's lecture. We'll repeat previous thing. Yeah, Zubil. Wait, let me check how many of them are in pending. Is there anybody in pending? No, nobody is in pending. Yeah, who is Ruwa? Ruwa? Yeah, are you native Arabic speaker? Are you native Arabic speaker? Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, Zubil, please read. Zubil. Hmm. Amina. Only Amina. Is it not necessary to pronounce that last ta with u? Only means there is no requirement of last pronunciation, last word of to pronounce last word. Okay, okay. And what about that Hamid? Hamidun or Hamid? Zalika Hamid. Should we pronounce Hamidun or only Hamid? Or only Zainab or Zainabu? Okay. Zainabu and here is Hamina. Okay, Amina. Zainabu. Yeah, please. Please read and we'll finish today's lecture. Okay. So we are done with this lecture, but I have few doubts in previous lessons. I have prepared my answers. Okay. So let me know from here, chapter 5. I have some doubts. Where is it? Come on, man. Chapter 5. Yeah. Okay. So Saidun. No, 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 no. This. Ayana Kitabu Muhammadin. Okay. No, not this. Exercise. Yeah, here. Listen. Kalamu, uh, Maktabu al Mudarrisu, Maktabul Mudarrisi. Okay, see, Kitabun Muhammadun, Kitabu Muhammadin. Is it Kitabu Muhammadin? No, here I'm talking about this word, this part, this part. Kitabu Muhammadin, Kitabu Muhammadin, right? And here is Maktabul Mudarrisin, Maktabul Mudarrisin, Mudarrisi. Okay, Maktabul Mudarrisi. Maktabul, right? Maktabul Mudarrisi. Yeah. And here, Kalamu Hamidin. Why not Hamidin? Because I read last time here Kitabun and Muhammadun. It was translated as Kitabu Muhammadin. Then why not Kalamu and Hamidin? Kalamu Hamidin. Why not Kalamu Hamidin? Why not Hamidin? Yeah. Kalamu Hamidin. Kalamu Hamidin. Is it Kalamu Hamidin? Okay. So what does it mean? The pen of Hamid. Hamid's pen. Is it Hamid's pen? अरमान, रमजान, अरमान. Okay. So Kalamu Hamidin and Miftahu Al-Bayti. Miftahu Al-Bayti. Miftahu Al-Bayti. Dukkanu Tajiri. Why not Tajiri? Okay, Tajiru. Because that ruler was there. That's why. Gurfatu. Gurfatu Aliyi. Gurfatul Aliyi. What will be the answer? Gurfatu Aliyi. Gurfatu Aliyi. Isn't it? Aliyun. Gurfati Aliyun. Gurfatu Aliyun. Okay. Aliyin. Okay. Gurfatu Aliyin. Okay. Okay. Oh, oh. It will pronounce as Aliyun and it will become Aliyin. Okay. Baitu. Baitun al Muhandis. Muhandisu. Baitul Muhandisi. Oh, Baitul Muhandisu. Baitul Muhandisu. Baitul. It will become Baitul. Why Muhandisi now? So Baitul Muhandisi. Oh, oh. Then why not Dukanu Tajiri? Why not Dukanu Tajiri? Yeah. Okay, only in writing I will write Tajiri, but while speaking I will use Tajiru. Okay, yeah, Tajiri. Yeah, it will, yeah, okay. Mudaf and Mudafi alay. So Mudafi alay will be always with Zair, the single Zair, single Kasra. Okay, Dukanu Tajiri. Okay, okay, Okay. Okay. So there will be only the writing will be different and the speaking will be different. In writing, we'll always use there, and in speaking, we'll always use fish. Okay. And this different other doubt were here when we are connecting. We are saying anything about human, women, and no, this was name. It was the recipe. No. Uh-huh. Fill. No fill. Almondari. Uh, Single. Polun. Marizum. Okay. Here. Uh, dash Ganiyun. Tajiru. Taji. Tajiru. Tajirun Ganiyun or Tajiru Ganiyun. Tajiru. Tajiru, right? Tajiru Ganiyun. Tajiru Ganiyun, right? Tajiru. Okay, so al is compulsory here, right? Al is compulsory. Al is it is that al is required? Al is must. Okay, okay, good. Hmm. Okay, Hamidun al Hamidu Marizun or Hamidu Marizun. Only Hamidu, not al. Only only al, right? Not oh, not al required, right? Only Hamid. Hamidu Marizun. Not al. Not al Hamid. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Hamid. This is simple name. Yeah. Common name. Hmm. Okay. Uh, At-tafahu lazizun. At-tafahu or at-tafahun. At-tufahu, right? At-tufahu. Okay, okay. That's cool. So I had doubt in between that uh, in Mudaf and Mudaf Ali because sometimes I get confused because of uh, these two reasons, means where to put pesh, single pesh, where to put double pesh, and uh, when to pronounce al, when to pronounce, when not to pronounce al. Okay, that's why the problems occurs. And Dimitri, I think you are late. We have already. Hmm. Okay, so we have done with lesson 7. Yeah, lesson 7. Yeah, we have done with lesson 7. We'll start lesson 8 next day, and then lesson 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then after we'll initiate book number 2. We'll initiate book number 2, And if you people want, who those who is learning Arabic, we are ready to help you with uh, complete grammar book. Okay, I have two complete grammar books. I can help you to finish reading one page, means one chapter daily, but you people should choose one leader among you. I have already added you in group. Ramdan, are you there on HT group? No, I think no. Rua, you are also not there in that HT group. Okay, so you people can decide who will lead that book, and will always available for that, for completion of that book whenever you people need. Okay, and thank you for time. Will not uh, require more than 30 minutes daily. So whenever you are free, just let us know. We'll add you over there, over here.